Go ahead and start on it.
I did.
Was it doing it?
Yeah, it's recording.
Crank it.
Ow.
You gotta take it out of gear.
What? Like
Take it out of gear.
Come on, Ashley.
Take the gear out. Take it out of gear.
Like put it in park?
No, just put it in the middle. No gear at all. There you go. Now crank
Why
it.
am I doing that?
Pull it back.
Hey, Kelly, come here.
She's fixing crunch on
Push it forward. So good, you know? Okay, how do you stop it?